Hi guys, welcome back to VFix Technology. Today we're going to talk about Laravel. There's an advanced topic called middleware, and there's a middleware named Throttle. With Throttle middleware, we can put a kind of request, number of request exception. Let's say if somebody trying to log in into our application and put 4 times a wrong password, then we can stop log in further. We could redirect to a dedicated page with the error and show a countdown timer that you are putting too many requests, wait for a minute, then try again, right? If you know what I mean. Often you might have seen this on a kind of professional website or big applications. So this is what we're going to implement in this video today. Cool. So let's go ahead. First, let me show you how it works. This is a brand new Laravel setup. Nothing fancy, just I installed Laravel UI. It might look a little different. The UI login page, I just made it customized. I was just playing around how to customize that. Ignore that. It's just a fresh Laravel UI setup. So I could have an authentication system. Now, uh, let me try something, right? I'm going to put wrong password. I have set up 4 times. First, second, third, and fourth. Do you see that after fourth, third request, in fourth request, it redirected me to this page and it has the error number and a little message and shows a countdown timer. This countdown timer is just a tweak of JavaScript. However, if I try before this time, it's gonna shoot the error over. Let's try. Let me put the email and password, and here I'm back to the error. That means behind the scene, Laravel is counting the time on the real time, right? So this is just a kind of a front end description, how much time is left, right? So let's learn how to implement this. So as I told you, this is just a fresh Laravel setup. Just I installed Laravel UI. Matter of fact, I wrote a blog on my website. I'm gonna add the link with this video so you can make it happen by yourself. If in stage first, you can have to install Laravel and install Laravel UI. That's pretty much it. I have mentioned in step one, first step, you can add this login URL route. Let's go to the routes and see what I mean. Auth routes fetches all the login, register, logout route from Laravel UI. However, if you wanted to, I made the comment here. If you wanted to overwrite any route behavior, you can manually type it. So route post login, and that's login controller from auth Laravel UI. And all I did, only one middleware called Throttle. That's pretty much it. So all you were supposed to do, add this middleware on the route like this, throttle, then for number of requests and wait for time. I can set up 1 minute, 2 minutes, or whatever I want. So maximum 4 requests. Then in after comma, you can put the hold time. That is all. Nothing else you're supposed to do. So you can add this throttle on your post request. So if somebody trying to log in over, whatever you want, 10 requests, 20 requests, 2 requests, I set up 4. So that's why it shows me 4. So after 4 requests, it's gonna shoot that error message, and customer supposed to wait for 1 minute. So whatever frequency you want, you can set it up. Right? Makes sense. Now, other than this, if you do not have a custom error page, so you could create an error page. Step number 2, go to resources, views, error, and create the error page. Now, keep in mind, error page gonna be the name of the page, gonna be the name of the error. So if it's 404, create 404. This specific error is 429. So within error folder, create a file 429.blade.php. Just a hard-coded HTML copy from here and paste it. Job is done. 2 step. Let me do the paraphrasing one more time. First, we're going to override the route. right? Just add a middleware, throttle middleware 4, 1 for request, maximum 1 minute wait time. Job is done. Now, just in order to make it visual, we're gonna go to the views, then errors, and create an error page with the name of error. You're supposed to do 4 to 9 for this specific route and paste or create your page accordingly. Easy peasy. Let's try one more time, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put any email. Does not matter that email exists or not. It just counts the number. Wrong one count, second count, third count, and finally the fourth count. And now if I try anything after 4, it's gonna send me to this error message. Perfect. So this little tweak of Laravel inbuilt security feature help us to make our application more secure. That is pretty much all from this video, guys. And if you need any more knowledge about Laravel topics, you can comment. I could try to make more videos. And guys, if I give you any value, 97% of my viewers, they are not subscribed, right? I highly encourage you to subscribe and allow the notification. It gives me the motivation, the fuel to create more content like this. Thank you so much. Bye for now.